Well, we all have seen that negative publicity is good publicity, and in this case the culprit seems to be a pundit and not any Bollywood star or filmmaker. The filmmaker Vipul Shah is furious with this pundit who had claimed to have got John and Genelia married for real. Apparently this pundit is bitten by the glitz and glamour bug. The real culprit for spreading this rumor, which spread like wildfire, is Bhagwat Guruji, who recently quoted in the media about John and Genelia's supposed marriage. Anyway, now Bhagwat has fallen flat on his face and has been proven to be a liar. Regarding this incident, a lot of evidence has been gathered against the said pundit's word, as producer Vipul Shah clearly stated that John and Genelia never got married and the Saat Feras required for validating a marriage were not conducted. It seems the pundit has hence been proven to be using the film Force's impending release to gain self-publicity. The wedding scene in question was shot in Marshaj Ghat a few months ago, and in the exact same manner that such scenes have always been shot for the big screen in the past. Sources close to the film reveal that the wedding sequence was not shot in tandem and that a bevy of makeup artists and stylists helped John and Genelia wear the Mangal Sutra and garlands. The producer Vipul Shah is also furious that his lead actress Genelia is unnecessarily dragged in this fake controversy. According to him, countless number of weddings have been performed in Hindi cinema, but this is the first time that he has come across someone so keen to be in the limelight that he can go far enough to claim to have married Genelia D'Souza off. Vipul doesn't even hold anything against Pandit Bhagwat Guruji, but will not let anyone point fingers at the leading lady of his film in this manner. Vipul adds that he is only looking out for his 15 minutes of fame without any real standing, and the whole incident is bizarrely shocking and there is no truth in it at all. Any such claim should be dismissed as a desperate attempt to gain attention. Anyway, let's hope that this film Force is able to attract the audience for this hot couple who have been paired on screen for the first time. This is Sandeep Kumar for Rajshri.com.